Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 50 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from your SIM card to your phone. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, assuming we have one, but I believe we should. No, there we go, there is one, contacts. So let's open that up. In here, I'm gonna select on the three dots, navigate to the settings, where we should find, yep, there we go, import, export. Once you click on it, you want to select that you want to import contacts from SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM. Now you can quickly select all of them by tapping right here, or you can pick them yourself by simply tapping on a checkbox right there, and then selecting import right next to the select all. This will import obviously all the selected contacts, but before it does, it asks you where you want to import those contacts to. Now, right now, it seems like it's a redundant question considering it only gives me phone as an option, but if I have logged into my Google account or maybe the Honor account or whatever they have, this will actually show up as an option here as well. But because I'm not logged into anything else, it just gives me the phone as an option. So that's what I'm gonna select. And there we go. My contacts have now been imported. So if I go back, I should see all my contacts right here. And you can kind of see which ones are imported and which ones are not, because it creates duplicates. As you can see, there is this grayish icon for a SIM card. So those contacts all are on the SIM card. And if I were to remove that SIM card, they will simply disappear. And only the ones that are without anything next to them, like this contact right here, or this one, will stay. So let me just demonstrate that. And there we go. I just popped out a SIM card, and as you can see, all the contacts with this SIM icon on the side disappeared. So that is how you can import your contacts from your SIM card to your phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.